Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. Now open your learner book, page number 37. Yesterday we listened some information, we read some information, okay? And now we give the answers, these true and false questions, okay? Now according to that information, we will give answer here and we will give answer here, okay? For this I made a sheet, okay? We revise that sheet and then you also write on your this learner book and write the statement whether it is true or false. Now carry on. This is information that we read yesterday about birds. Number one, all birds have feathers and lay eggs. Number one. Number two, a hummingbird has the smallest egg. It is as small as fingernail. An ostrich has the biggest egg. It is as big as 24 hens' egg. Most birds build nest to lay egg. Some birds lay egg on the ground. Most birds can fly. Some birds can run very fast like ostrich. Some birds can swim very fast like penguin. Some birds can swim and fly also fly like duck and swan. Okay, now this is information that we studied yesterday. Now on the basis of this we give the answer. Most birds build nest. Yes, this is true because look here, most birds build nest. Some birds can swim. True because look here, some birds can swim. Number three, a penguin can fly, but it can't swim. This is false. Why? Because a penguin can swim, but it can't fly. Okay? A duck can swim and fly. Yes, duck and swan, these two birds, they can swim as well as fly. An ostrich can fly. No, this is false because an ostrich can run very fast, but it can't fly. Okay. Now this true and false question you must be do on your notebook or book, learner book. Then on the same page you can see all birds have feathers and lay eggs, and most birds build nest and can fly, and some birds don't build nest, and some birds lay their egg on the ground, and some birds can fly, and some birds can swim. These four things do some birds, and these two things do most birds, and these two things do all birds. Okay. Next, on the same page, this information we write the sentence. Number one, he say a kiwi can't fly or swim, but it can walk. Look here, a kiwi not fly and not swim, but it can walk. Then hummingbird, it can fly only, okay, not swim and walk. How we write? A hummingbird can't swim or walk, but it can fly. And then goes, this goes to all things, also fly, also swim, and also walk. A ghost can fly, swim, and walk. Then falcon, a falcon can fly and walk, but it can't swim. Look, fly and walk, but it can swim. Okay, boys, this is our topic today, and you must be finished this on page number 37 on your learner book. Bye bye. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.